Hey, Animaniacs! Welcome back to Media. Today, we are uncovering the biggest secret in entire Stranger Things universe, the true origin of Vecna, creation of Dimension X, and how one forgotten cave in Nevada became the first domino that toppled real world into darkness. This is full cinematic scientific breakdown that ties together the show Stranger Things and the official play Stranger Things: The First Shadow. Get ready. Everything starts underground before Hawkins, before the Demogorgons, before 11 ever entered a sensory tank, there was Nevada Cave. Hidden beneath a classified military base, government scientists were experimenting with dangerous stolen technology designed to manipulate dimensional field. Their goal was to artificially open portals between worlds, but their research was unstable, unpredictable, and on the day young Henry Krill wandered into that cave, the machine was live. Henry accidentally activated the equipment, triggering a violent dimensional displacement. In an instant, his body was torn out of reality and thrown into hostile plane known as Dimension X, the original world of living shadow matters, the birthplace of the entity we later call the Mind Flayer. The hours Henry spent inside Dimension X reshaped him forever. The dimensional energy didn't just touch him, it flawed him. His latent psychic ability were amplified to impossible levels, turning him into something more than human. But something even darker happened at the same time. The shadow matter of Dimension X bonded to his consciousness. It wasn't possession, it was fusion. Henry was forcibly intertwined with predatory cyan force, forever changed the way his mind functioned. When he returned to real world, he was no longer a normal child. He had become the first human to carry corruption of the primordial darkness. The Nevada cave became the origin of his trauma, the moment he lost his free will, and the birthplace of the villain we would one day call Vecna. Years later, in 1979, Henry revealed his true nature at Hawkins' lab. After slaughtering nearly every child in the program, he confronted Eleven. Cornered and terrified, Eleven unleashed a massive psychic blast, the strongest attack of her life. This blast didn't just knock Henry across the room, it tore open a fabric of reality. A momentary rift appeared behind him, and Henry was violently banished through it. This was the first accidental gate in history. Henry fell once again into the shadow dimension, this time with the full force of his powers and corruption awakened. Inside Dimension X, Henry began to evolve. Alone in a world built from living darkness, he used his amplified ability to reshape the shadow matters itself. Drawing on memories from his childhood, especially the spiders he loved, Henry sculpted a primordial substance into massive spider-like entity. This creation became Mind Flayer as we know it, a creation not born from dimension but shaped by Henry's mind. From this point onwards, Henry Creel ceased to exist and the Vecna, the ruler of Shadow World, emerged. 4 years later, the last piece of puzzle fell into place with disappearance of Will Byers. When Eleven came to telepathic contact with the Demogorgon in the void, her psychic energy accidentally opened a stable supergate beneath Hawkins, the Mother Gate. This massive rupture allowed Demogorgon to cross into our world and drag Will into other side. But even more importantly, the Mother Gate duplicate the entire physical temporal state of Hawkins, imprinting into Dimension X. And that's exact moment, November 6, 1983. The modern Upside Down was formed. Will's kidnapping became the anchor that froze this mirror world in time. the Nevada cave still plays a critical role in Vecna's story. For Henry, it represents the moment he lost autonomy, the moment he was corrupted, and the memory he fears most. By hiding within this memory, Max uses the one psychological weakness Vecna cannot face, the trauma of his transformation. The cave is not just a place, it is the origin of every Demogorgon, every gate, every psychic attack, and every piece of darkness that haunts Hawkins. And that Cinemaniac, it is complete chain of events that created Vecna, forged Dimension X, and shaped the Upside Down. From Henry Crill's accidental fall into the Nevada cave, to Eleven's blast at the lab, to Will Byers' abduction, every moment is connected. If you want the breakdown of Demogorgon biology, Eleven's power system, or the science behind sensory deprivation tech, drop your request below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Media. Till then, bye bye, peace out.